Hello, and welcome to yet another video. My name is Carlos. You're in digital marketpreneur. In this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 steps to affiliate marketing success in 2021. Now, a lot of you have followed me for a while. I know I haven't been posting any videos in a few months. Now we're into 2021. 2020 was very challenging, was a very difficult year for everyone, but you know what, we learned something from it, that we can actually get through this and find success, and that is light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, and I want you to see this right here. The reason why I haven't posted any videos was because I've always been having this desire to move near the ocean, bring my family down here, and I worked on that all last year trying to get them down here, and I finally did. This is my inspiration, right? And now I want to start working harder on my online business so then I can come down here anytime I want, and instead of going to work for somebody else and just have a few hours to spend at this place with my family, I want to spend it as many times as I want. And I know that's what everybody wants. So you need to have a game plan. But if you follow these 5 steps, at least you guys can get started and just go for it, okay? And you gotta make it happen, because if you don't, then you gotta be stuck. We gotta go into this year, and you gotta be at the beginning of next year, and you still gotta be in the same spot. You gotta still watch videos, you gotta be reading blogs and stuff like that, and you haven't started. So with that being said, we're gonna start with number 1 step to affiliate marketing success in 2021. You have to think that you're helping people, okay? And I know this business usually tells you think about clicks, likes, comments, and all that stuff. But first of all, you're a customer, and when you're looking for information, you want people to literally help you to resolve your problem. So think that way. Now that you're starting your online business, you are helping people, okay? So when you do that, you gotta change your mindset about everything that online business is, because it's just the same as a regular business. You're helping people. You need those customers that trust you, that like you, because you genuinely want to help them, okay? So change that in 2021. Think people. They're the ones clicking, they're the ones liking, they're the ones watching your content, okay? Number 2, you gotta start, okay? And I know a lot of you have started stuff, or some of you haven't even started yet. And when you find the first failure where you put videos out there, nobody's watching and all that, you give up. Just keep doing it, because you know what? You're learning from it. Because you'll know, okay, there's this reason why they're not clicking on my videos is, I gotta do this better for my blog. I gotta do this differently for my post on Facebook, my Facebook likes, whatever platform you pick. You are going to get better at it, but you gotta keep doing it. Even if it's imperfect, it will take you, a few months, a few years, maybe weeks to hit that button that says, oh my God, right in your head, this is what I need to do, and then your business is gonna take off. Okay, with that being said, the third thing you need to do is create content. There's no other way around it, because if you don't create content, people will not know what products you're promoting, why are they good, why are they gonna help them, why is they gonna solve problems for them. So I think this is something that everybody missed. It's like the content creation part, where, okay, well, I'm gonna create a video, and then you're not gonna do any more, or you're gonna write 1, 2, 3 pieces of blog posts, and you're just gonna leave it like that. No, you have to keep creating quality content, because it's the only way you're gonna get better at it, okay? And that's why you start imperfect. It doesn't matter if your first 20, 30, 100, 300 videos, nobody watches them, or maybe 1 like, 2 likes, maybe 12 views, doesn't matter. You're just going to get better as you move along, learning from your mistakes, okay? And that's the reality of it. Now, when you get stuck with the content creation, go follow those people that are already having success. And I know a lot of you do, but model what they're doing. Look at how they created their content. Look at how they write a blog post. How do they set up their videos? Okay? And little by little implement that in your own way. Do not copy anyone, because it was the trend of 2020 where everybody was copying and pasting everybody, copying everything, sometimes even word by word. And that's just not healthy for you, because you're never going to learn to be your own self, okay? And if you go back to step number 1 of the 5 steps to affiliate marketing success in 2021, people are gonna like you, okay? They're about you. They're gonna buy from you because they trust you, they like you, and they believe on exactly what are you trying to help them with, okay? But if you're copying somebody else and they're gonna be like, well, I heard this from this older guy, it's exactly the same thing, then your brand is not gonna grow. Everybody wants to get their brand out there and find success, okay? But if you're copying somebody else's brand, then you literally are not, being separated yourself from the crowd. You're just a follower. You're just somebody that's copying somebody else. You want to be your own individual, and you want to make your brand what's gonna sell for them, especially in affiliate marketing. There are so many affiliate marketers out there with different channels finding success. Why? Because they're their own people. They're not copying anybody else. They are being truthful to help people, okay? So the next part, and I think this is something that a lot of people don't like to do, is just go back, watch your videos, go back and read the books that you've been reading and the people that you're learning from. Because you know what, we read the books once, we watch the videos once, and then we go and try to do the things that we want to do to create content. But sometimes you miss the one step, and then you're thinking to yourself, why am I not getting to the next level? You're missing maybe some critical information that you were watching the video from, that you are not applying into your own content. Go read the books. And I can tell you for myself, 2021 is gonna be the year when I'm gonna go back to all the courses that I bought, all the books that I read. I'm gonna re-study again, even though I understand the concepts. There might be something that I'm missing, and I know that I'm taking notes every single time. So if you want to succeed in 2021, follow these 5 steps to affiliate marketing success in 2021, okay? And understand this. There's no get rich quick scheme, okay? There's none. It's only hard work, and some people learn it faster, and that's why they find success. Sometimes that's why their videos go viral. That's why their posts go viral. That's why they're making a lot of money with affiliate marketing or any online business that they try, because they're the ones that are putting in the work. And I keep seeing this, and it was the trend of 2020 and 2019 when, people were showing this is how it started. And everybody started with zero followers, 0 views, 0, and they build up eventually. And it took them years, it took them months. You can get certain shortcuts to not spend a lot of time, because there's so much information on the internet right now. But the problem is, everybody wants to find success tomorrow, and that's not how this works. So make 2021 the year where you just say, okay, enough is enough. I am not gonna sit here and wish for success. You're gonna go get it, okay? And for those that are following my channel, thank you for sticking by me. Thank you for subscribing. And you're gonna see me a little bit more often this year, because I finally moved where I wanted to be. This took a lot of work. This took a lot of trial and error, and it took a lot to get my family down here. But I'm finally here. This is my inspiration. I'm gonna follow those 5 steps that I just gave you for myself. So this video is not only for you, it's for myself, because I know that in 2020 I had a lot of guilty That's not the word actually. I just wasn't concentrated on my online business because I wanted to move here, and I regret that with everything that happened in 2020, I let that get away from me. But you know what? We're all guilty of it, and now I'm here. I am where I wanted to be. Right, the ocean is right there, and I want to spend as much time as possible here with my family, not going to work and saying, well, I wish I could go in a beautiful day. Today's a little cloudy, but all week long it's been a beautiful weather, and I'm stuck at work. I don't want to do that anymore. This is the year where I'm gonna follow my 5 steps to affiliate marketing success, to enjoy this every single day, and you are going to do it too. Okay. Also, if you look in my comment section, the pinned comment is my free affiliate marketing training to give you a good foundation to get started. Use it because I believe that that's gonna help you to at least get going. Okay, so to those of you that subscribe to my channel, that are subscribers, that have been subscribers since from the beginning, thank you so much. I know that I've been very inconsistent in 2020. I'm going to work on 2021 to be more consistent on putting content, on helping you and giving you the tools to succeed in 2021, and we all can be enjoying whatever is it that you like to do. For me, it's coming here to the ocean. For others, could be living in a big city or being in some other place around the world. But you know what? Let's work towards it, because this time with the 5 steps to affiliate marketing success in 2021 shows you that if you follow through, you're gonna make it. You are going to reach your dreams. This was my dream for a long, long time. Here I am. My second part is to come, and that's to be free from working a regular job for the rest of my life. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let's make 2021 the year where we break off and find success. I will talk to you in the next video.